Hey everyone, it's Lizzie from Lizzie's Brother Gems. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing two post reviews. They are both from Captured by Radiance. This is the first one. This was my Christmas diamond painting that I did this year. It is on my Christmas premiere, which is airing on December 25th at 4 p.m. So if you want to check out my Christmas premiere, head on over there on Christmas Day. This was a 75 by 60 diamond painting from Robert Fennell. It was Christmas at the Village. I really enjoyed doing this piece. I started it in November and I finished it halfway through December. I could have finished it a little bit sooner, but because I had my surgery, it did put me out about 5 days. So I didn't get any diamond painting done at all. And I was getting close to the end. I work on this on my Christmas premiere, and I think it turned out really lovely. It had 65 colors. There was 2 crystals, 3 ABs, and 4 unicorn poops. Unicorn poops are the dust drills. That's what Captured by Radiance calls them. And AB stands for Aurora Borealis. They have like an extra shimmery coating on them. They are harder to place. Dust drills are a lot easier to place. I prefer dust drills over ABs any day. And then they had some crystals. They were both kind of a light colored. One was like a gold and the other one's like more like a yellowy color. And they're in the windows and in the tree, and there's some here on the ground. It just turned really nice. There's a lot of ABs and fairy dust in the Christmas trees. And I think this is a fountain here. And then you have your light posts right here. It just turned out really pretty. I really liked it. And then you have your chimney stacks here. And then you can see the steam coming out of the chimney stacks. It's just really pretty picture. I really enjoyed doing this piece. Very much so. I don't know if I'm a little bit crooked here on my camera. But it was a very fun piece to work on. I didn't have any problem with the drills other than there was a bit of garbage, little tags and stuff like that, but not like an enormous amount that I was going to run out or there wasn't enough. Every resin drill has some bad in it. You can't get away with that. But I love the way it looks. I wish it was a little bit not so pixelated. Like if it was a little bit bigger, maybe it wouldn't be as pixelated, because this was supposed to say the village or something like that. You can't see it, but I think if you went any bigger, it probably would have took away the fun of the painting if it was too large. So those are minor things that you can overlook, because you have to go really big in order to see the writing there, and I don't think it would have justified it anymore to make it any bigger than 75 by 60. But as you can see, the results, it turned out beautiful, even though you can't really tell what the writing is. But it turned out really awesome, and I really love this piece. I don't know what else more to say than I loved it. I loved placing the drills. It was a good painting overall. I'm going to bring out the next painting right now, so I'll be right back. And I'm back. So this is Prince of Pride by Rose Prophet. It is a Captured by Radiance. It is an older kit. It is 50 by 50, I think, centimeters. Yep, 50 by 50 centimeters. It has 49 colors, and it had 5 ABs. There are no unicorn poops in this one. There are no dust drills because this is before the dust drills came into effect. So it's an older painting, but not that old. It's still with the newer manufacturer and still has the reverse legend. It's still all the fun things that you get from Captured by Radiance. Just that, I don't know why it has tape here. Why he did that. It says your masterpiece awaits. Still the same good quality canvas. It's just that it does not have any unicorn poop. But just looking at it, it turned out beautiful. Beautiful. This is a stunning piece. I know he enjoyed working on it. He started this actually. He started this when we went to mingling in the mitten. And that was in May, so May 1st. So it is December. He finished it yesterday. So November 22nd. No, December 22nd is when he finished this. So he started in May. It's a 50 by 50. Yeah. So this has been a year project for him. But it turned out amazing. He did a very good job. And I know he loves it. He says he wants to frame it and put it in our craft room. So it would be nice to have one of his paintings on the wall instead of all of mine. He really, really enjoyed it. It had 49 colors. I'm pretty sure he did not run out of any drills because he would have let me know, and I did not hear that he did. And we're kind of having a competition of who was going to finish their painting first because we were both on our last section and he finished his section before I did. But yeah, it turned out really, really nice. Love it. I love the blue in it. It just makes it pop. I just love this painting. It is a really cute one. But that is it for both of my post reviews for Captured by Radiance. I am an affiliate to Captured by Radiance. So if you ever want to go check them out, use Lizzie22 for 15% off. If you want to join their Facebook group, please join. But remember to answer the questions because you will not be let into the group if you don't answer the questions. And if you send them a message and you respect a response from them, because they do have 100% satisfaction guarantee, make sure you check your spam mail because a lot of, people say they aren't responding, but they are. So please check your spam mail. With that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will check you guys later in the next one because I got lots of Captured by Radiance coming in 2026 and I'm super excited to work on my first project for Blinging in the New Year. So if you want to join me on that fun adventure, come join me and check out what I have in store with a lot of paintings that I'm going to be doing from Captured by Radiance. With that said, take care everyone and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys. Hey guys, it's me again. If you like what you've seen, please like and subscribe to this video and hit that notification bell and it'll remind you whenever I load up a video. I'd be super tickled pink. Till next time guys, take care. Bye.